Yo guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog with your boy Ali G, and today we have some special guests with us. Dodge Works.
Hey guys.
Say what's up guys.
Hey, what up guys?
Guys, you can check him out in the channel. I'll leave his link in the description below. His channel is called Dodge Works, and you'll be able to find my videos in Arabic. If you guys want videos in Arabic, you'll find it there on his channel. And we have in the back Bashmahondis Mina. He's my friend. He's my friend, and today guys we have a really nice day planned for you guys. We're gonna be going to ANGHAMI to play on a simulator. If you guys don't know what a simulator is, it's basically like virtual racing, where you race a car on the computer. It's how most people learn how to drive and like practice without actually owning a car. It's a very nice and effective way, and it's very helpful. So yeah, I'll see you guys there when we go to the simulator, and yeah, stick around to see us play around in the simulator, and hopefully we might have a little challenge at the end at the simulator place to see who can get the fastest lap or who can do the best track. So yeah, see you guys there, and peace. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and comment what you guys want to see me do next. Comment what videos do you guys want to see, reviews, races, anything you want. Comment it down below and I'll like it, and make sure like you like other comments that have the same idea as you. And yeah, like, subscribe, remember that, so we can keep posting more videos and giving you more content to watch. See ya.
Audi.
So guys, we made it to the spot. It's the place where the simulator is at, and we'll go inside now, and I'll see you inside while we play. And now we have a new friend with us, Hussein. Hussein, say hi. And Mina. We're all going, and Dodge is on the phone. We're all going to play. See you guys inside.
A few moments later.
So guys, I guess you're wondering why I'm back in the car. So basically, someone forgot to look at the website and see if the place is closed or not. And apparently the place shut down. So now guys, we're
moving.
What?
They're moving.
They're moving? Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't know.
So guys, we're going now to Master. It's a gas station where a lot of car people meet up, and we'll continue the vlog from there. Hopefully there might be some races at the end. So yeah, stick around for more. See you there.
A few inches later.
So guys, basically we're lost. Look at the place. I don't know where the hell I'm going, and the GPS is not working, and we're running out of fuel. Look, we're running out of fuel, and I don't know where this road is taking us. We're supposed to be at Master, but look, GPS says we're nowhere. Wish us luck. If you're watching this now, know I made it alive. Yalla, bye.
مش مهم، انا عايز امول
عشان اقرب لك بس.
اقرب لك طالع السخنه.
طب ماشي، في بنزينه اول ما تطلع في بنزينه.
لا مفيش، اديني فين بقى؟
ده 2 كيلو بالظبط هتبقى عند البنزين.
فين بقى؟
على طريق السخن اول ما تطلع مصدر على اليمين.
ايوه اللي عند الجامع الجديد دي.
يا عم هي جديده
قدام المعارض الجديده.
طب ما تيجي ورانا وهننجز مع بعض.
ماشي ماشي.
Eventually.
Yes, guys, yes, we made it. We made it. We're alive. We made it to a gas station and we made it to Master. So the closest gas station apparently was Master, and yeah, we made it. So we'll see if there are any cars around to race and if any of our friends are around. And yeah.
Day 2.
So guys, I guess you're wondering why I'm here and I'm changed clothes and everything. Well, basically, we went to Master and we didn't find anyone to race. So now here we have my friend in an A5, Audi A5. And he just upgraded his turbo to a KO4 turbo. And he wants to test his car out with me. So let's see how that goes. Yep, we're gonna go race now. So guys, just listen to this exhaust. Just listen. Listen, give it a listen. Look, you guys hear it? Can you? And that's it on idle. So that's what I'm going up against. KO4 turbo, A5. Yeah. Seems legit. Why are you recording? Why are you recording?
Why am I recording? Why are you recording me? What are you gay?
Gotcha, bitch.
Ah, where's your friend?
He's behind. I can see the devil eyes. Look at the devil eyes. Can you see it in the rear view camera?
No.
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 No. Look at it. Look at it in the rear view mirror. Can you get it? Can you get it?
No. Oh yeah, I can't get it though. No. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do I do this? And if I drop this, we're fucked. Ah shit, you need 10 pounds. I got it.
Give me 10 bucks. Give me the
Hold
money.
this. Hold this. For all this. I got racks on racks on racks.
Okay, throw something at me.
Did I drop 5 as well? Yeah, I was being generous, yeah?
Yeah. Mom, get the get the camera out. We're about to race, Mom. Okay, fine.
It's Mom, get out my room, I'm playing Minecraft.
That's what you do.
Round 1. Fight!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, we getting our ass beat. Oh no. What is this, 190? Oh, 200? 200?
6.
Oh shit. We're catching up. Oh, we're not catching up.
Oh no, he's gone.
That dude gone. Keep flying.
He's gone.
He's gonna start flying now.
So guys, if you don't know what he's doing now, swerving and going, like giving me a right indicator and then left indicator, then right indicator again, that's him swearing at me now in our language, in car language.
Pranks. So what you're saying is we just got fucked. Can I go? Mom!
So guys, he's checking if there's still meth in the tank, and no, we're not talking about the meth that you see in fucking, what's it called?
Pablo Escobar.
No, not that.
Narcos.
Yeah, no, not that.
Breaking Bad.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Heisenberg.
Yes, dude.
The Hindenburg.
Woo, did you hear that? And then you have this over here. Okay. Okay.
No way.
No, he whooped you, man. He's a
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
No doubt about that. Something's flaming.
yeah. I've been smelling something burning. I thought it was just something like normal.
So we're back. Turns out there's nothing wrong in his car from what we've seen so far. I just saw like a spark or like a couple of sparks come out from this front right tire. So we were just checking, you know, because safety first, guys. Always safety first. Seat belt, current. Because you know, safety first, guys. You know, like seatbelt. You know.
Yeah,
Fine.
I got T-bone. Yeah, right here. Both of them.
Yeah.
It's not like second take at all. Yeah, don't worry about it.
So that, guys, is gonna do it for today's vlog. As you saw, give me my phone. As you saw in the last bit of the vlog, we erased my friend. He's right there. He's going home. Bye. So guys, what happened today was we erased my friend, and
Brain processing.
yeah, I'm processing the loss. Like we took a fat L. But don't worry, guys. When the 340 is out, when the 340 is done and out, we'll hopefully be tearing up the streets and we'll be unbeatable. Yeah. So don't forget to hit a like down below, comment what you guys want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe, share this channel with everyone. If you want to see more videos, let's try to get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Right now we're at, as of recording this video, it's like 3,500 subscribers. So yeah, we're a good chunk of people, so I'd like to thank everyone that subscribed. And yeah, see you guys in another video with your boy Ali G and
Curry boy.
Karin Vani. Let's go, see you guys, have a good night, and peace.
Gotcha, bitch.